Today we'll be solving question number 19 of the CKA practice exam. The question says, do the following in a new namespace secret. Create a pod named secret pod of image busybox, which should keep running for some time. Create a new secret called secret1 in namespace secret that contains key value pair API key equals to ABC123, created in the namespace secret and mounted read-only into the pod at temp secret1. Let's start by creating a secret one. Let's first create secret. Then let's start by creating secret generic. The name of this is secret one in namespace secret from literal equals to from literal API key equals to ABC123. Enter. K describe secret one in namespace secret K describe secret. Now it's there. Good. Now let's go to our second part of the question. Create a new secret in namespace secret called secret2, which contains user equals to user1, pass equals to 1 2 3 4. These entries should be available inside the pods container as environment variables app user and app pass. Okay, copy. Let's go to above. This is secret2 in namespace secret literal. From literal we'll go with not this, however we'll go with user equals to user1 and another from literal equals to pass equals to pass 1 2 3 4. Okay, describe secret2. There it is. Okay, now what we'll do is now we'll create the secret pod. Copy. K run secret pod minus n secret dash image is busybox and try dash run equals to client minus OEML sh minus c sleep 4800. We'll save this into temp slash q19.yaml. Got it. Now we'll open this with vim temp q19 yaml creation timestamp resources DNS policy. Okay, now it's in the insert mode. First we'll add volumes, secret volume. We'll go to documentation and write secret. In the secrets we'll go to secrets documentation, and in there we'll get this volume. Copy. Let's paste it here. Volumes, just the indentation. For name, let's keep secret volume. The secret file name should be secret1, and from here we need volume mount also. Copy, and from there let's paste it here. Adjust the indentation. Name is secret volume. is good. Read only, yes, true. For mount path, we have right here temp secret one. Copy and let's paste it here. Temp secret one. Now we need environment variables in secret. Env var secrets, and we will go to distribute credentials securely using secrets. Here what we need is going down actually, here it is. Okay, we need this environment variable. Copy, and we need two environment variables. The first one we need is that we need to show, for the name we'll use app user secret ref key. This is the name of the secret, which is secret one. This is the key is user. Let's come to the second one, which is app pass. Copy app pass, name is secret one, and the key is pass. So I think that's pretty much it. We are done. Okay, let me just see it through. Okay, namespace secret, name is secret pod, volume is secret volume, secret one. Okay, now that's pretty much it. Let's save it and quit this file. Now let's do k apply -f, created, k get po -n secret. It's in the creating container creating state. Config error. Okay, I think there's a problem somewhere. This is k apply -f temp q19.yaml created, k get po -n secret, and it's in the running state. K describe pod secret pod -n secret, secret pod app user and app pass is set. Secret volume, secret name is secret one. Let's clear this. Let's exec into the pod k exec -it secret pod namespace is secret sh cd etc cd temp secret one ls. There's our API key. Let's cat it API. There's the value abc123, so that's good. Now let's do echo $app user. There's the one user one. Now we'll do pass, and there's 1 2 3 4. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.